When it comes to web hosting, it is essential to find a reliable platform that offers a range of features at an affordable price. Bluehost has been around since 2003 and is one of the most popular web hosting providers worldwide. It boasts an extensive list of features, including unlimited storage and email accounts, fast loading speeds, and a range of other features that can help businesses and individuals establish a successful online presence. In this Bluehost review, we will be taking a look at how this hosting platform fits the needs of a range of customers and will provide an in-depth analysis of its performance, customer support services, and pricing. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or a professional needing to create a website, this review will give you a comprehensive insight into what you can expect from Bluehost. Hosting plans. Bluehost offers comprehensive hosting plans with something to meet the needs of every website. Whether you're creating a simple blog, running a small business, or launching an e-commerce store, Bluehost has the hosting solution to fit your needs. Their basic shared hosting plan is perfect for those who need hosting for a small website, while the Choice Plus plan is possibly the best deal for most users, as it offers 40 GB of SSD space and unlimited websites. The Online Store and Pro plans are focused on larger, high-traffic websites that require a higher level of computing power. Customers can also take advantage of their WordPress-optimized hosting plans and dedicated hosting plans for scalability. Easy-to-use control panel. Bluehost offers an easy-to-use control panel for customers. This makes it simple for users to control their websites and make changes without needing to understand any coding. There is a search bar that allows you to find the settings you need quickly and easily. In addition, the dashboard also provides links to tutorials, step-by-step guides, and more to help customers with their hosting needs. This makes Bluehost a great choice for users of all experience levels. 24/7 customer support. When it comes to customer support, Bluehost strives to provide its customers with superior service. Its 24/7 customer support team is always available to answer any questions and help resolve any issues that may arise. The team is knowledgeable and friendly, and they are happy to help with any issue, even if it doesn't relate directly to the product. This is a fantastic service, as customers don't have to wait for a response during business hours and can get help whenever they need it. Affordable pricing. Bluehost's pricing is extremely affordable, coming in at a fraction of the cost of its competitors. All of their plans come with an array of features that are sure to meet the needs of any budget. Furthermore, the company offers a variety of discounts and coupon codes to ensure customers get the best price possible. With Bluehost, it's easy to start a website without breaking the bank. Reliable uptime. Bluehost is well known for its reliable uptime, making it a great choice for websites that need to be up and running 24/7. The company monitors their servers and networks around the clock for signs of trouble and will take immediate action if any issues arise. This ensures that your website will stay up and running without interruption. Bluehost also provides a 99.9% uptime guarantee, so you can be sure that your website will be available to your visitors whenever they need it. Robust security features. Bluehost offers customers robust security features to ensure their websites remain secure and safe. Website security is an important consideration for anyone setting up a website, and Bluehost makes sure that customers are well protected. Their security suite includes antivirus, malware scanning, an SSL certificate, and a dedicated firewalls. Additionally, Bluehost offers enhanced security features such as two-factor authentication, password protection, and secure FTP access. With these features, customers can have peace of mind knowing that their websites are secure. Free domain names for certain plans. Bluehost offers a variety of hosting plans, and the majority of them come with free domain names. This is a great bonus for those looking to create a website, since it eliminates the extra cost of registering a domain name. The free domain is valid for a year and can be renewed at the regular rate when it expires. Additionally, Bluehost supports a wide range of domains, such as .com, .org, .net, and many more. All in all, This is an excellent feature that makes Bluehost an attractive option for website owners. 30-day money-back guarantee. One of the most impressive aspects of Bluehost is their generous 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with their services, you can get a full refund within the first 30 days of your purchase. This is a great benefit for those who are unsure about signing up for Bluehost or who may be on the fence about switching to another host. It allows customers to try out the services risk-free, and if they're not happy with the service, they can get their money back. This is an unbeatable offer and is a testament to Bluehost's confidence in the quality of their services. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bluehost is a great web hosting option for businesses of all sizes. With reliable uptime, excellent customer service, and a wide range of features, Bluehost is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a quality web hosting solution. With an easy-to-use control panel, one-click WordPress installation, and plenty of storage and bandwidth, Bluehost is a great option for businesses of any size. If you want to get the best price when contracting your hosting with Bluehost, click on the link in the description of this video, which will take you to the best offer available for you to get your free domain and a quality hosting with the best speed.